Hi everyone. So today I could not complete record the morning session also. There was some issue with the software which I am using. Okay, my strategy today it was buy on dips market because there was a good rally yesterday. But still, as I was waiting for a dip, a morning gap up has come, and so I was waiting for this gap to be filled, and which means this acts as a support. So almost at around 11:15, 11:20, it has reached. I started taking put options here as call option here, but there was no movement here much, right? So I managed by taking put option also, because I felt this is going to be a consolidation day, and finally slowly market